1 week from today, we have a ride planned in the low desert of Arizona. So naturally, we turn to our preferred manufacturer of underside protection, Ricochet Off-Road, for a set of skid plates to protect our 2007 Honda Recon from the rough conditions it's going to encounter on the trail next weekend. Ricochet's skid plates are a work of art. They're extremely durable, and one of my favorite aspects is the way that Ricochet mounts up their skid plates. Here's how we look prior to installation of the Ricochet Off-Road skid plates. There you have it. The new skid plates have been installed. They look awesome. Now we're going to go put them to use.